Still has a stereo, so.
That's so sick.
I won't die for this shit or what the fuck I said. Front yard, broad day with the SK. See Gucci, that's my motherfucking nigga. I hang in the jail with them hit squad killers. Walk a flock of flame on the hood ass nigga.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. That's right, we got a bonus episode for you guys this week. We're going to be catching up not only on sledding vlogs, but drifting vlogs as well, because we sponsor some awesome drifters. And as you guys probably already know, Matt Rusiecki went on to win his Formula Drift license. So next year, we're going to be following him to Formula Drift. So before you get into this video, make sure you go to the website, purchase his t-shirt. Every sale, money goes towards his program next year. Right now, he's looking for sponsors too. So if you're watching and you have a company and you want to get your name out there and put it on a drift car, Matt's taking sponsors in any form right now. So go hit him up on Instagram and get yourself signed up. Let's get into it. This video is the bro day from the Agassiz track. Unfortunately, not a lot of people showed up, but it was still an awesome day and I managed to make a sweet video out of it. So here you go and enjoy. Good morning. Oh shit. Or whatever. We'll do this first. But yeah, we're gonna get out to Agassiz, beat all this fucking bullshit Vancouver traffic. We're doing pretty good so far. And yeah, really want to fucking drift, dude. Oh, I want to drift now so badly. It's all I fucking am thinking about when I'm driving.
Matt will be here soon. Yeah, they just went to get breakfast.
Awesome. So there are a few pros. And entrance, I'm just gonna stress right away. Please stop here before pulling out onto the track, because on this particular layout, they are gonna be coming up the bank here. And I got it. Not there anymore. So finish line will be right here. A few cones there.
Oh shit. We're here?
Yeah. Let's get put that down. Push it right down, it'll click. There you go.
So then that's to release it?
What?
That's to release?
Yep.
This is gonna be so sick. I think I'll be able to get some good follows too.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Well, it's nice that you're in like a pro car too, so you're about as safe as you can get.
Yeah, yeah. But dude, fuck, that is such a sick feeling. Like, oh my god. Fuck, man. You're so fucking good at driving. It's crazy. Okay, I feel like I just did crack for the first time because I'm fucking addicted now. Whew. Do you get addicted to riding in it too? Like, it's so much fun.
You haven't even gone
Fuck.
for a fast ride yet.
I know, I want to do the bank. I want to do the bank.
The bank's not even that.
We're here. It's about 1 o'clock. Day's been going pretty sick. Matt over here is gonna go home to Williams Lake, so I'm going to switch and take the trailer, and then me and Matt are gonna tow his car to Mission. So yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll go for some more ride-alongs.
Nope, fall over the way.
Wrong way.
What's up, buddy? Where's the Doritos?
And then it was like 170 something. But then, yeah, like when I started, I did one run. It was
my very first fan setup, fan and shroud setup on my radiator. It was super tight. A little bit.
What do you think? Come on, you gotta give us the feeling. Tell us what's up. You proud of him?
Oh yeah, I mean he was killing it out there, right? I mean he was a couple of well, like a foot away from him. Yeah, he was just right on the mark, exactly where he needed to be. So that, but I think he just needs a little more car yet at this point.
Yeah.
So it's a matter of just development, right? He needs a little more horsepower. He's only running 400.
Yeah.
Probably needs closer to 500 to be able to compete with the guys that are out there.
Yeah.
So that's going to be the challenge, whether we can build the car to go there.
Yeah. Yeah, well, he's got the right crew behind him now.
Well, he's got some guys that'll help. Yeah.
That's cool, man.
Bank action?
Dude, yeah. Oh yeah, I am.
Maybe a pretty mellow bank run so I can get the shot, but we'll pour it on after.
Oh, I'm just here for fun, man. Yeah, buddy.
taking this helmet off out of a drift car is a lot hotter. Holy fuck. But I hope we got some good shots there.
Tell us a story.
Story? This is Matt. He's pretty all right. He drives a car once in a while. A street car, by the way. You know, still has a stereo. So
Still has a stereo and the windows roll up with the key.
Oh, do they? Yeah. I didn't know that. Damn, bougie boy.
It's that Lord Coat life, you know?
Yeah. Who put this thing together? Mom. Who did?
So you got any words for us?
Not anymore.
You still got your voice after this weekend.
A little bit left.
Nice.
Gotta take this stuff out or else it causes a tire fire. It'll light on fire.
Oh really? Well, that's good to know.
Yeah, well the exhaust is right there pointed down, so if it backfires and the flame hits the ground, it spreads out and ignites the tires.
Oh shit, so you've had that happen before?
Quite a few times.
Oh, fuck.
Even this music here. This one's real good. This will be sick to cut in for both of you.
Oh my god, man, that's so sick. Sick, dude. Look at this. This guy just still working.
No, I'm not. Just pretending.
Think about the weekend.
It was a great fucking weekend. I can't say that word, can I?
No, you can swear. We don't. We're not monetized.
It was a great weekend.
Yeah.
Two of our drivers both in the top 10.
Oh, yeah.
Can't go wrong there. So
there you go.
Stay tuned.
So I missed the whole filming part of it, but they got the car on without the bumper, and then they just gotta put the bumper on. But Grado?
Deacon Grado. Deacon. Fucking.
You know, like the same. Much it. Just grabbing these blocks out. And then it's final goodbyes. Finally, sad goodbyes.
It's never fun in the end.
At least it's not long until we see each other again.
Couple weeks, buddy.
You're going to Cornell too?
Big event. Weekend.
I loved it. Got the big sexy rolling up.
the mental blade cut through flesh and bone.